Hi, you're watching our series on challenges in everyday communication. Today, we are dialed in on phone conversations. Talking on the phone can be tricky for anyone, but it can be especially challenging for people with aphasia. Let's explore some common challenges that you might face and strategies that can help make phone conversations easier. I'm Alex, Lingraphica's consumer education specialist and a speech-language pathologist. First, let's talk about what aphasia is. Aphasia is a language disorder that can affect your ability to speak, understand, read, or write. Aphasia impacts language, not intelligence, and it often happens after a stroke or brain injury. Common challenges. There are a few common challenges that people with aphasia might experience during phone conversations. Understanding fast speech. On the phone, people often talk quickly, which can make it hard to keep up, especially if you have aphasia. You might struggle to process what's being said. Responding to automated prompts. Many phone calls involve automated systems that ask you to press buttons or speak specific words. These prompts can be confusing or difficult to respond to, especially if you need more time to process the options or to find the right words. Expressing yourself. It can be hard to find the right words or form sentences when you're talking on the phone. This might even make you feel a little anxious or hesitant to make or receive phone calls. Remembering information. During phone calls, you might be given important information like appointment details or even instructions. And it can be difficult to write down this information while you're trying to keep up with the conversation. Strategies. Here are some strategies to help you manage phone conversations more easily. Advocate for yourself. Tell the person you're talking to that you have aphasia. If the person you're talking to is speaking too quickly, don't hesitate to ask them to slow down. You can also ask them to repeat or rephrase something if you didn't quite catch it the first time. Use a script or notes. Before making a call, write down key points that you want to discuss or questions that you need to ask. During the call, use these notes to guide your conversation and to make sure you cover everything that you need. Find a quiet place. When you're on the phone, background noise can make it pretty hard to hear and understand. Try to find a quiet place to take the call. And if possible, use a speakerphone or a headset to improve sound and quality. Use communication devices. Lingraphica's communication devices can be very helpful during phone calls. You can use them to prepare key phrases or words ahead of time so you can access them during the conversation. Lingraphica's resources. Lingraphica offers communication devices, which can make phone calls easier. Use customized images, words, and phrases to help your phone conversations go smoother. Living life with aphasia can be challenging, but remember, you are not alone. Lingraphica is here to help. Visit our website to learn more and start your own free device trial to start practicing your own phone calls. Thanks for watching.